Question number 7. Question is which is greater? इसमें हमें बताना है कि कौन सा greater है. Now interest first A part. Here interest, simple interest we find out. Then principal is given, that is rupees 5,000. Clear? And the time is given, that is 7 years. And rate is equals to 5% per annum. First we find out the simple interest of this. We write the formula T into R into T upon 100. Put the values. T is, that is rupees 5,000, and rate is 5% per annum, and time is 7 years upon 100. Because rate is 5% per annum. That's why we divided by 100. Now after this, we cancel this 20 with this 20. And now we calculate it. 550 multiplied by 5. 5 zeros are and 5 fives are 25. Then we multiply by 7. Then 7 zeros are 0. 7 fives are 35. And 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 3. That is 7 rupees. So our answer comes, that is 1,750. That is the simple interest of first part. Clear? Note down all of you. Now the second, that is the B part. Which is greater we find out. That's why the two simple interest we find out. Next is we find out the simple interest. Here P, principal is given, that is 5,000 rupees. And time period is given, that is 6 years. And rate is given, that is 6% per annum. 6%. Now we write the formula of simple interest is equals to P into R into P upon 100. Clear? Now then we substitute the values here. Then rupees 5,000 multiplied by rate, that is 6, and time is 6 upon 100. Now cancel this 20 with this 20. Now background सब नहीं आनी चाहिए. Now this 6 goes are 0. 6 fives are 30. Then multiply by 6. That is first we multiply these two, then we multiply this. 6 zeros are 6 zeros are 6 zeros are 18. So which is greater? That is this simple interest is greater than this, because interest is 1,750 and here the simple interest is 1,800. So this simple interest is greater. That is interest on rupees 5,000. That is for 6 years at 6% per annum. Clear? Now student, the question number 2. That is find the amount. In this question we find the amount. Now amount we find out. Here the principal P is equals to, that is 2,490 rupees. This much rupees is given and rate is 5% per annum. And time period, time is 1 complete 1 upon 3%. Sorry, years, not a percent. Rate in percent, this is in years because time is writing. Okay? Now, how you calculate this time? This is in mixed form. So, first convert it into improper. To you, how you convert it? 3 plus 1, that is 4 upon 3 years. Time period is 4 upon 3 years. Now you calculate first, that is the simple interest. So you write the formula of simple interest is equals to P into R into T upon 100 and put all the values be here. That is rupees 2490 multiplied by 5 upon 100 multiply by, now time is 4 upon 3. 4 comes in numerator and 3 comes in denominator. You write 4 and you write it here 3. Now this 0 is cancelled with this 0. Now 3 ones are 3, cancel this. 3 8s are 24 and 3 3s are 9. So in numerator, that is comes rupees 83 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 and denominator, that is 10 multiplied by 1, that is 10. Now again cancel, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now you multiply. अब हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा and we write the values. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. That is simple interest comes rupees 166 and our question asks the amount. So you write the formula of amount is equals to P plus I. It means principal plus interest. Now substitute the value of principal here, that is rupees 2490 and interest, that is rupees 166. Now you calculate it. You add these two. हम यहाँ पे इसको ऐड कर लेंगे और बताएंगे. This rupees 2656. This much amount comes. So in this way we solve our question. Now the mental max corner, that is the page number 129. All of you seen the question number 1, that is mental max corner. Take the correct option. Mental max corner. Now question number 1, that is right the correct. Now I read the question from the book. Look, A part, that is 83% is written as, means 83% is written as. How you write it 83% in fraction? अब इसमें आपको ऑप्शन गिवन है 83 अपॉन 10, 83 अपॉन 100, 8.3 और 8 complete 3 upon 100. Which one is correct? The 83 we expressed as 83 upon 100. परसेंट रिमूव करेंगे तो नेचुरल है, डिनोमिनेटर में हमारा 83 आएगा. देन you write 83 in book. This mental max corner only you do in the book, not in copy. The answer comes, that is 83 upon 100. You take the correct option. Okay, now B. The B one is 6 upon 25 is equals to, it means 6 upon 25 is equal to, अब ये हमारा किसकी इक्वल होगा, डेट इज 20%, 30%, 24% एंड 6%. तो हम इसको परसेंट में गिवन है आंसर हमारा 10 करेक्ट. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे इसे, हम यहाँ पर 100 कर देंगे, 100%, क्योंकि हमें परसेंट पे फाइंड आउट करना है. देन वी चूज आवर करेक्ट ऑप्शन, तब हम करेक्ट ऑप्शन बता पाएंगे. 25 ones are 25, 4s are 100. We multiply 6 4s are, that is 24%. It means the correct option is third one, 24%. Clear these two? Now the C part. The C one is that is 30% of 12 kg is. It means 30% of 12 kg is. How you calculate it? 30 upon 100 multiply by 12. In this way you calculate it. So 1 0 is cancelled with this 1 0 and you multiply 12 3s are 36 upon 10 and after one digit you put the decimal point here because in denominator 10 will be there. So our answer is 3.6 kg. Our answer is 3.6 kg. It means first part. The C is first option is correct. C का कौन सा option correct होगा? First one. Now the D part. That is the percentage of colored triangle in the figure is. अब देखिए इस colored figure का percentage find out करना है. ये very typical question is there, है ना? तो इसमें colored figure में हमें सबसे पहले हमें ये जो विदाउट कलर्ड फिगर है इसका हमें देखना पड़ेगा, फिर कलर्ड का देखना पड़ेगा. तो लेटर ऑन आई एक्सप्लेन दिस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, इट टेक टाइम. सो फर्स्ट आई एक्सप्लेन हाउ यू सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, देन आई गिव इट टू यू दैट यू सॉल्व इट दिस. क्लियर? पहले हमें इसमें पूरे ट्रायंगल्स में से देखना है, ओनली कलर्ड का निकालना है. तो फुल ट्रायंगल्स के बाद सिर्फ हम इसका unshaded part निकालेंगे, then we subtract this, so we will find out the shaded part of the colored triangle. Clear? So later on I explain this part. Now yes, that is the 6 upon 9 multiply by 100. Yes, here is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 3 here and that is the 4 6 plus 3 that is 9 or you find out the 6 means ki 6 is the shaded part and total triangles, how many triangles be there? 6 is shaded and 3 is unshaded. So first you add these two, that is the 9. You write 9. So 6 upon 9. A percent you find out, that is multiply by 100%. Now you calculate this. How you calculate this? 2 3s are 6. Sorry, 3 की टेबल से we cancel these two. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So our answer comes 2 upon 3 multiply by 100. Now we multiply, that is 200 upon 3%. Clear? Now then we divide it. 200 3, then 3 6 are 18, then 2 and 0, then 3 6 are 18, then 2 decimal point right, then 3 6 are 18. In this way the answer comes, that is 66.66%. or we write in fraction. फ्रैक्शन में हम इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? अगर यहीं पे स्टॉप कर दें तो फ्रैक्शंस में ये स्टॉप कर दिया हमने, डेसिमल पॉइंट नहीं निकाला, एंड वी राइट 66 2 upon 3%. Clear? It means the second one. Again I explain this D part, listen carefully because this type of question comes in Olympiad also. So all of you listen this. The percentage of colored triangle in the figure is, colored triangle का percentage निकालना है. First you look this figure, that how much shaded part is given. इसमें आपको कितना शेडेड पार्ट गिवन है वो आपको पहले क्या करना है, आप काउंट करना है कि कितने हमारे को शेडेड पार्ट गिवन है. क्लियर? हाउ मेनी शेडेड पार्ट इज गिवन? दैट इज 6. और अनशेडेड पार्ट कितने 3। तो पहले टोटल ट्रायंगल ले लेंगे हम जिसमें शेडेड और अनशेडेड हो जाएंगे, दोनों पार्ट हमारे डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएंगे, दोनों को प्लस कर देंगे, दैट इज 9। अब सिर्फ हमें शेडेड पार्ट का ही परसेंट फाइंड आउट करना है, दैट्स व्हाई वी राइट 6/9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100% एंड वी कैलकुलेट इट। तो आवर आंसर कम 66 कंप्लीट 2/3%। नाउ द नेक्स्ट दैट इज द ई पार्ट। The E part is that is which one is true। अब E में बताना है आपको कि कौन सा ट्रू है। A is equals to P minus I, A is equals to P plus I, P is equals to A plus I and I is equals to A plus P। तो in second part is correct, that is amount is equals to P plus I। अमाउंट क्या होता है, प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट। दिस ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, यस तेजराज, इशिता, यस करेक्ट। नाउ द एफ पार्ट, इफ अमाउंट इज इक्वल्स टू, एफ पार्ट में क्या गिवन है, अमाउंट इज इक्वल्स टू रुपीज, which that is amount is rupees 1200 and interest is no, first look at the blackboard. Interest is rupees, that is 130 and the principal is what, हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, प्रिंसिपल। और अभी हमने बताया था अमाउंट का फॉर्मूला आपका क्या था, दैट इज P प्लस I। तो P इज इक्वल्स टू अमाउंट माइनस इंटरेस्ट। तो अमाउंट इज दैट इज रुपीज 1200 minus that is rupees 130। now you calculate it, that is 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 3 7 and 1 minus 1 0, then 1। our answer comes rupees 1070। yes right Praveen, yes Anishka, now correct। now question number 2, I explain you question number 2, that is fill in the blanks, listen carefully। a percentage is a fraction with denominator 100, you write 100। be 75% of 36 meter, you calculate in this way, 75 upon 100 multiply by 36। so our answer comes 27 meter, correct। now C part 1.93 is equals to, आपको इसको परसेंट में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो हाउ मच परसेंट, दैट इज 193, यस 193। यू नो ना हाउ वी कन्वर्ट इट इनटू परसेंटेज, ये हमने पहले आपको एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है। गुंजन आचार्य करेक्ट, अश्वनी नहार, that is next, if 20% of rupees 80 is spent, the remaining amount is 64। how you calculate it, all of you understand it, कैसे निकाला, 20% of rupees 80 पहले उसने इतना खर्च किया, तो ये आपको इसको बताना है सॉल्व करके कि 20/100 इंटू 80 हो जाएगा, इस तरीके से हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे, क्लियर। नाउ ई पार्ट, 25% ऑफ डैश डिग्रीज इज इक्वल्स टू राइट एंगल, कितने डिग्रीज होगा कि हमें राइट एंगल आए, यस करेक्ट आया, 360 होगा। नाउ P1 इज रुपीज, इसको सॉल्व करना आना चाहिए। 25% ऑफ डैश डिग्रीज इज इक्वल्स टू गिवन है आपका राइट एंगल, राइट एंगल इज दैट इज 90 डिग्री। तो मीन्स यहाँ पे हो गया 25/100 इंटू एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री। अब हमें इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है, तो ये हो जाएगा 25x डिग्री मल्टीप्लाई में है अपॉन 100, तो 100 उधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, यहाँ डिवाइड में है तो वहाँ जाके मल्टीप्लाई में हो जाता है, तो 90 डिग्री मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, x इज इक्वल्स टू 90 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 अपॉन, अब ये x के साथ में यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई में था, यहाँ जाएगा तो ये डिवाइड में हो जाएगा, तो 25 1 and 4 and 9 4 36, तो All of you understand it, how we solve the E part. Now the next one is, that is the F part. If P and A is given, then easily we calculate simple interest. Okay, we use the formula and calculate it. G part, P and SI is given, then we calculate amount. We use the formula, substitute the value and calculate it. Now the third question, that is true or false. A proper fraction as a percentage is less than 100%. True. 100% of 2500 gram is equals to 250 gram. False. This statement is false. When we calculate it, then the answer comes false. B1. Then C. 80% of 50 is equals to 50% of 80. दोनों को calculate करिए. If both the answers are equal, then we say this answer is correct. अगर हमने इसको solve किया तो दोनों का equal आएगा. It means our answer is true. Now D, 425% make a whole. Very true. अगर 4 बार हम 25% को लेंगे तो वो पूरा एक बनेगा whole. Clear? Now 50% of 50 pencils is equals to 100 pencils. False. इसको जब solve करोगे तो ये 100 pencils नहीं होगा. This answer is wrong. Clear? Now all students mental max corner do in book. बुक में ही करना है. एंड रिव्यू एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व इन प्रैक्टिस कॉपी. क्लियर?